money fast and me make it back. All of my client them rich for my cellular.
Yeah, what style man for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave that skeleton then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean I say yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Chat to my client in a G-Vice. Put it up on the cangle for cheap.
Viewers, I want you guys to go over the artist of Vivo channel and go give him my support. I want to go give him my listening here and make me know him sound, because him sound he alright, him sound alright to me, viewers and subscribers. The artist goes by the name Supa Don, you see me? And he dropped a single 2 days ago titled Choppa in a Real Life. He have a flow, he have clarity, he have style, you see me? So me ask you guys if you can go over him Vivo and go give me my listening ears. You see me?
Finna lump sum, ha, look pa my whip custom.
Powered back over Soji TV Entertainment and drop in a comment section. You see it? Me I go drop a title of this song in a comment section and it's gonna be pinned. You see me? So you guys can go over artist Vivo and go give him the support. You see it? You know say a Crossroad music work on that piece of project you said way. You see it? So I want to go give Crossroad music a support said way. Him know say a Soji TV Entertainment send on over there. You see it? Me not sure you know nothing about the artist said way. I just come across the song. I rate the song, you see it? So I want to guys to give it a listening ears and make me know what exactly I go on for the artist bad and thing. I'm gonna make the artist know say yeah man, he have it, you see it? So if you just continue write him song them and put in the work, voice, and send out him tune them to the world, make the world listen it and see what I go on for it. You see me? No joke. So I want to guys to go support the movement. You see me? And please remember to like, share, subscribe to Soji TV Entertainment. Yeah man.
Just come, 30 mil me make when me a random. Countless